Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be doing a coffee or latte inspired makeup look. And it's a popular trend lately. So watch the rest of the video for the complete tutorial. I use a small flat brush to apply black eyeliner, starting from the corner of my eye. I draw a neat line along my lash line all the way to the inner corner. Dip my brush into black eyeshadow again, and I want to make the wing more intense. I also fill the inner part with black shade. Using a blending brush to blend the center of my eyelid with a sweeping motion, aiming to create a smoky effect. I use a flat and larger brush and dip it into an orange shade and then blend it out. Besides, if you are worried that the result of your eye makeup might appear harsh, so I suggest gently applying your brush to the desired eyeshadow and tapping a small amount of the eyeshadow behind your eyelid and then blend it out. For the intensity of your eyeshadow, you can repeat the same technique gradually and you will see a good result. So I'm blending the transition between the orange and black eyeshadow and ensuring there are no harsh lines and achieving a seamless blend of the eyeshadow. I use the same brush with the brown shade. I want my eyeshadow to have a soft effect, so I gradually add the brown eyeshadow to my eyelid and blend it. Okay guys, my favorite part, and I absolutely love this part. I apply the glitter to the center of my eyelid using my finger. It makes your eyes stunning and beautiful. I really love it. Use a small brush to apply black eyeshadow under my eye. Use false eyelashes. I've decided to apply glitter to the inner corner of my eye and under my lower lash line as well. And that's the final look. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.